Today I would like to talk about background and strategic standing. There are 5 companies. The first one is OSK Holdings Berhad. Their primary industry is property and mid to large tier conglomerate for their market position. Their geographical footprint is in Malaysia. It is a massive footprint spanning in Klang Valley, Penang, Kedah, Negeri Sembilan and Pahang. It also operates in Australia and Singapore. The second company is Zakon Berhad. Zakon Berhad primary industry is construction, engineering and infrastructure. The market position is regional infrastructure specialist. It operates in East Malaysia and Peninsular Malaysia. The third company is Tianhua Press Holding Berhad. Their main industry is industrial printing and packaging manufacturing. Their market position is regional niche market leader. Their footprint is located in Malaysia, which is a corporate headquarters and manufacturing operation located in Selangor. They also have company in Vietnam, Indonesia and United Arab Emirates. The fourth company is Optimax Holdings Berhad. It is a private healthcare service and also a market leader in specialized private healthcare. For the geography footprint, in Malaysia, it is expansive footprint consisting of 24 specialist eye center. They also have branch in Indonesia, Singapore, Cambodia, Philippines and China. The last one is Yong-On Corporation Berhad, which is a consumer products and services. Their market position is dominant regional market leader. Their geographic footprint is in Malaysia, a 9.3 acre primary manufacturing complex situated in Nilai, Negeri Sembilan. For the global export reach, there are more than 15 countries which maintain a commercial export footprint across a global network, including Australia, Japan, Taiwan, Turkey, Brunei, Fiji, and also some parts of Africa.
This video explains revenue recognition of 5 companies based on MFRS 15 revenue from contract with customer, including revenue reported in 2024 and K disclosure from notes. Company 1 is OSK Holding Berhad. OSK Holding applied MFRS 15 in 2024. Revenue reported in profit or loss is RM 1.66 billion. Based on the notes, revenue is mainly derived from property, development and construction contract. Company 2 is Zakon Berhad. Zakon applied MFRS 15 in 2024. Revenue is RM 64.75 million. In the notes, show that revenue is recognized over time for construction contract with disclosure on segment revenue, major customer and contract balance. Company 3 is Tianhua Press Holding Berhad. Tianhua Press applies MFRS 15 in 2024. Revenue is RM 276.77 million. According to notes 20, the revenue is reported as external revenue from its business operation. Company 4 is Optimax Holding Berhad. Optimax applies MFRS 15 in 2024. Revenue is RM 127.69 million. The notes explain that revenue come from medical service such as consultation, surgeries, and optical product sales recognized when services are rendered. Company 5, Yong-On Corporation Berhad. Yong-On applies MFRS 15 in 2024. Revenue is RM 271.13 million. The notes state that revenue is recognized based on performance obligation under MFRS 15.
Hi, my name is Ika Alia binti Abdul Rahman and my metric number is S79412. These slides represent the analysis of property, plant and equipment, or we call as PPE, for several companies based on the application of MFRS 116. First, For OSK Holdings Berhad, the major PPE classes include land, buildings, office equipment, and machinery. The company recognizes PPE at cost and later applies the cost model with depreciation and impairment losses. Their PPE increased from 909.8 million in 2023 to 736.6 million in 2024, showing stronger asset growth. Next, Jacobs Berhad focused on construction plant, machinery, equipment, and vehicle. PPE is measured at cost, including directly attributable costs. The increase from RM 3.09 million to RM 4.51 million reflects additional investment for business expansion. For Tin Wah Press Holding Berhad, the PPE mainly consists of plant and machinery, factory buildings, and vehicle. The increase in PPE indicates improved manufacturing capacity and higher non-current assets. Meanwhile, Optimax Holdings Berhad recorded a decrease in PPE mainly due to depreciation, although the asset remained important for operations. Lastly, Young On Corporation Berhad showed a significant increase in PPE from RM 63.8 million to RM 136.9 million, indicating major expansion in operational assets. In conclusion, all companies apply MFRS 116 differently according to their industries, but PPE remains an important component in strengthening business operation and financial position. Thank you.
Next, I will present the analysis of investment property for 5 selected companies. Firstly, all companies that recognize investment property apply accounting MFRS 140 investment property. Under MFRS 140, investment property refers to land or building held to earn rental income or for capital appreciation rather than used for their own. For OSK Holding Berhad, the investment property increased from RM 198.5 million in 2023 to RM 211 million in 2024, showing an increase in property value and contribution to the company's financial position. Next, Zikon Berhad. Zikon Berhad recorded the highest investment property value, increasing from RM 579.4 million to RM 624.1 million. Its profit also increased significantly, indicating that investment property is a major asset and important source of income for the company. Meanwhile, Tin Wah Press Holding Berhad records only a small amount of investment property, decreasing slightly from RM 333,000 ringgit to RM 324,000. This suggests that investment property is not a major part of their business activities. In contrast, Optimax Holding Berhad and Young On Corporation Berhad did not recognize any investment property in their financial statement. This indicates that the companies do not hold properties for rental income or capital appreciation, and their properties are likely used for their operational purpose instead. In contrast, Optimax Holding Berhad and Young On Corporation Berhad did not recognize any investment property in their financial statement. This indicates that the companies do not hold properties for rental income or capital appreciation, and their properties are likely used for their operational purpose instead. In conclusion, the analysis shows that the significance of investment property differs among companies depending on their business focus and their investment activities. For the growth of investment properties, we can see that OSK Holding showed steady progress with 6.28% growth in asset value. Zikon Berhad is our top performer, achieving 7.71% asset growth and massive 185.38% jump in profit. Tin Wah Press remained flat with 0 profit growth and minor 2.7 drop in asset value. And the other two companies have no investment properties, so there is no growth to report. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Nur Afika Najla binti Apandi and my metric number is S79147. Today I want to talk about intangible assets. This slide shows the comparison of intangible assets among 5 companies, which is OSK Holdings Berhad, Second Berhad, Tinwah Press Holdings Berhad, Optimax Holdings Berhad, and Yon On Corporation Berhad. Most of these companies apply MFRS 138, which is intangible assets, while some companies also apply MFRS 3 for goodwill. For the subsequent measurement model, most companies use the cost model, which means the assets are recorded at cost less accumulated amortization and impairment losses. Looking at the statement of profit or loss, OSK Holdings recorded amortization expenses of 629,000 in 2024 compared to 525,000 in 2023. Tinwah Press Holdings also show a slight decrease from 1.381 million in 2023 to 1.360 million in 2024. Meanwhile, Optimax Holdings and Yon On Corporation reported no significant amortization expenses. In conclusion, although all companies follow similar accounting standards, the impact of intangible assets differs depending on the nature and size of their business operations.